Khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Kendai ngut kishenrang bat nyongut ki kenthei ki bade Dkhot jong National Cadet Corps na ki shlem puli bapher ke jala Meghalaya kila sha Pynkupburom haulat ke jala OCH Vijaya Shankar haga Hindu trik unailar aja afsan hadien bi kila sha jet kerpang banyo ali Ïashim Bynta haga Republic Day Parade kablalong hau bana kila lengkot arja afsan hanong ba New Delhi haga ni ke jingalang kablalong Haraj Bhawan Shillong nalor ki Dkhot ke NCC la don langru ki officer jong ke NCC bat ki bahi ngasem ki bala yolat ban sakilang ya ke jingsha Pynkupburom jong ki kun ki kti jong ki
I'm Kiba from C19 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion. Hands up. Hands up. So I'm Corporal from 61 Meghalaya BNNCC. I'm currently pursuing my BA in St. Anthony's College, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, my name is Senior Officer Ïashim from Sora Government College, sir.
Estonia golfing Pansamukra, and I was in line area. Thank you.
Sir, I J.O. Ïashim from Senior College to Meghalaya, sir.
If something wrong with the mind, what is going to happen?
Thank you, sir.
I'm J.O. I'm from Kiba.
Sir, I'm Senior Under Officer Student sir from BS College, 2 Meghalaya Battalion. Oh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm Junior Officer from Senior College. Yes, sir. Yes.
I'm Senior Officer from Dkhot College.
Yes.
Senior Under Officer HSC from 14 years in SSC.
Yes, sir. I'm Senior Under Officer from St. Anthony's College.
Something special.
Yes, sir.
Oh, is it hobby? How would you?
Hobby, sir. Okay. Thanks.
Yes, sir. Myself, Richard, I will say as the Joy and as the first.
One way, we are very, very proud of you because of your achievement. And you have been represented Meghalaya in the national festival. The entire credit comes to not only Meghalaya, entire credit comes to Northeast. So in that way, we really honor you people. That is part one. Part two, by this age, you must have dream yourself about your future plan. In that way also, one way you have to introduce yourself. Second thing, you have to tell what is your future plan to build up your career and to achieve something great. Please start from yourself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
This baby now. Small baby.
Thank you, sir.
Walk.
So look, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Once more, sir.
Wat penleno yaganika kabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sao po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ki sopti ka de ka wei ki design tang na ka Bynta jongpi wan jet nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai sao lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra